Hi, this is Sharon from Super Aging. Do me a favour, hit the like button, subscribe, and do me a bigger favour. Do the class. Do something good for yourself. Today, we're doing a core strength and posture class, and all you will need is a ball, some weights, and I've also got a cushion for my knees. The ball, the weights are all optional. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Grab the ball and place it behind your shoulder blades. Support your head with your hands. We're doing 8 crunches. Roll over the ball, breathe in. As we breathe out, squeeze your abdominals as you go into the crunch. Let's do 7, 6, staying stable on the ball, 4, 3, feel your abdominals engage as you go into the crunch. The last one, roll over the ball. Just let your abdominals stretch for about 10 seconds. Lift yourself up. We're going into pulses. So what I want you to do is contract the abs, lift yourself up. Let's do another 6, 5, 4, feel that deep abdominal contraction. 2, 1, roll over the ball, let your abdominals stretch. Breathe. We'll do another 8 crunches. Breathe in, breathe out. Squeeze the abs. Stretch the abs as you roll over the ball. You've got 7, 6. So let your head fall into your hands. Use your abdominals to go into your crunch. 4, 3, 2 more. Good job. The last one, roll over the ball. Go back into the crunch. We're doing the pulses again. So squeeze, contract your abs, lift up. It really does burn, doesn't it? Let's keep going. Let's really fire up the abs this morning. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Roll over the ball. Your abdominals release. The next set, we're doing an alternating leg lift with our crunches. Let's do 14. Breathe in to prepare as we breathe out. Contract your abs. Roll over the ball, swap legs. And let's do 5 more sets. Your goal here is to stay stable, keeping your spine long, avoiding rolling from side to side. 3 more sets. 2, squeeze your abdominals as you bring the knee to the chest. The last one, other side. Roll over the ball. Let your abdominals release, stretch. Grab the ball and place it under your hips. This set we're doing toe taps, so the goal is to stay stable on the ball. Easier said than done. Bring your legs into tabletop, so feel where your balance is. First set, we'll keep our arms down. Breathe in, lower the leg. Use your abdominals, contract them, breathe out, bring the knee in line with the hip. Other side. Staying stable, keep your neck nice and long. Feel your abdominals work to bring the leg up. Good. Let's do 5 more sets. If this does hurt your lower back, you can follow along without the ball. 3 more sets. Squeeze the abs to lift the leg. 2 more sets. Last one to each side. Excellent. Just let your legs come in towards your chest. Release the lower back. We'll do one more set. We'll challenge our balance further, holding the weight above our chest, doing the alternating toe taps, using your abdominals to keep your hips stable on the ball. It's easier said than done. Breathe in to lower the leg, breathe out as you bring the leg back into tabletop. Contract your abs as you lift the leg back up into tabletop. Let's do 10. Breathe in, breathe out. 8. Are you feeling stable? Squeeze the abs as the leg lifts back into tabletop. 6 more. 4. One more to each side. Good work, good effort. Bring your legs back in towards your chest, let your lower back release. We're going to continue with this exercise and work the upper body at the same time. Grab your weights. We're doing a chest press as we do the toe taps. You can just stay with your legs in tabletop if you need to. You don't have to do the alternating toe taps. It's all optional. Bring your weights out to the side. Breathe in as we breathe out. We squeeze the chest muscles. We lower the foot to the floor. We stay stable as we go to the other side. Keep your abdominals on. They will help you stay stable on the ball. Keep going. Squeeze the chest as you push the weights to the ceiling. Use your abdominals as you bring the leg back into tabletop. Let's do 6, feeling strong. 5, good work. 4, 3, 2, pretend I'm not rocking all over the ball. The last one. Well done, bring your legs in. I'm just going to move a little bit closer. The next exercise is flies. Bring the weights up above your chest and bring your legs into tabletop. Still alternating the toe taps, but this time we're bringing the weights out to the side. Try and keep your knees at a 90-degree angle. Let's breathe in as we lower. Breathe out as we bring the weights in. Other side. I'm trying to think what I'm going to say here. There's a lot more stability work happening. I feel like I'm rocking all over the ball. How are you going? Keep going. Squeeze your chest. As you bring your leg up, squeeze the abdominals. Be strong. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more. Well done. 2. The last one. Great work. Put the weights down, bring the knees into the chest. We've got one more set of exercises. I find this last exercise, I find the last one the hardest. I find it really does challenge my balance. So what we're doing this set is we're bringing the weight overhead as we alternate our legs. Yeah, as we do toe taps with our legs. Breathe in. Lower the leg, foot to the floor, bring the weight overhead, breathe out. Bring the weight over your chest, the leg back into tabletop. Staying stable on the ball. You contract your abs. They will help you to stay stable. Well done, keep going. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, 2, the last one. Excellent work. Bring your legs in. Bring your feet down one at a time. Lift up your hips. Sit up. We're going to be working on glutes. Next up, you will need your ball, and I'm going to use my pad for my knees. Today we're doing a superset, the ball, and then we're going to get rid of the ball and lengthen the leg and lift and lower. However, the little difference today we're doing is we're going to have our forearms on the floor, and in this position I want you to push your forearms down and away from you. Draw your shoulders back towards your hips. That will give you a lot of engagement through your upper back throughout the exercises. Grab your ball, place it behind your right knee. We'll be working on 15 reps and 12 reps with the leg lift and lower. Forearms on the floor, push them away. Contract your abdominals, keep them braced. Lift your leg. Now we're squeezing the ball for 15s. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the ball under your left hand. Same leg, we'll stay up this time. Lengthen your leg, squeeze your glute, lengthen and lower. Lift, lengthen, lower. You've got 10, 9, good work, 8, abdominals are engaged, 7, push the foot away to feel the leg get longer before you lower it, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, your leg is straight, and 1. Last set. Place the ball back behind your right knee. Come back down on your forearms. Draw the shoulders back and down. Point your toe, lift the leg. All we are doing is squeezing the glute muscle to push the foot up to the ceiling. We're doing 15s. We squeeze the glute and we lift the leg. We feel the work coming from our glutes. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, lift high, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place the ball back under your left hand. Oh, how are you feeling it? I am. Let's lift and lower the leg for 12. We lift, we lengthen, we lower. We keep our abdominals braced. You've got 10, 9, push the foot away, feel your leg get longer, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go into a rest pose. Doesn't that feel like it's worked? Push the ball away, just move your hips. And let's repeat on the other side. I'm going to face this way. So we're putting the ball behind our left knee. Coming down on our forearms, we're pushing evenly down on our forearms and then pushing them away so we feel the shoulders draw back. Lift your leg. We're squeezing the ball for 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, squeeze, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Grab the ball, place it under your right hand, extend your left leg back. We're lifting and lowering for 12. Lift, lengthen, lower. Lift, lengthen, lower. Your abs are working here. Engage them. 9. Keep going. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2 more. Last one. Grab the ball, place it behind your knee. Come back down onto your forearms. Point your toe. We're squeezing the glute only for 15. And as we squeeze, contract your abs. Let's do this. Squeezing the glute. You've got 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Squeeze harder. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab the ball. Let's lift and lower the leg for 12 reps. Draw the shoulders back and down. Lift the leg, lengthen and lower. Let's do 10. Keeping your abdominals engaged. 9. Feeling length in your leg. 7. 6. A bit close to the couch. 5. 4. 3. 2 more. Last one. Come back into a child's pose. Just rest, let your hips go. Breathe. We've got one more set of exercises to finish today, and that is for shoulder mobility and posture. Now, we will be face down on our mat. I'm just going to show you quickly, and you can do this. Let's do it all together. One of the exercises we're doing when we're lying on our front is going to have the ball up here. So bring your ball up. You're going to bring it behind your hips. Bring your other hand down, grab the ball and bring it up. Let's do 2 more. The reason I'm showing you it's seated is because sometimes it is a little bit harder when you're lying down. All right, let's do 3 the other way. Just feel the shoulders move, keeping your back straight. Okay, guys, and last one. That's your option if you don't want to go into the prone position. Sometimes you don't want to do it, but you can feel the shoulders move when you do that exercise. Place the ball on the mat. I want you to push the ball away. Draw the shoulders down towards your hips. Breathe in and pull the ball towards us so you're getting some upper back extension. Breathe out, roll down. Let's do 4. 3, draw the shoulders back and keep your neck long. 2 more. And last one. Good job, guys. So now we're going to do the same exercise we just did seated, but we'll be in this position, so you can sit up if you want to. And we'll do 5. Draw the shoulders back. Swap the ball over and swap it again. Keeping your neck long, just look in front. You've got 3 more. 2 more. And last one. Good work. Just have a rest and we'll repeat that exercise going the other way. Set your posture up. Draw the shoulders round towards your hips. Lift your abdominals. Let's do this. We've got 5, 4, 3, navel to spine, 2 more, ears are in line with your shoulders, last one. Great work. Bring the ball towards your chest. This is the best part. Just roll over the ball, let your head get heavy. Feel the thoracic spine, the upper part of your back, the spine. Open up. Breathe, guys, breathe. One more big breath in and out. Use your hands. Push yourself up. Great job. How are we feeling? You're feeling like you worked? I felt like the glutes worked. Let's, before we finish, do a quick figure 4 stretch. Leave my legs out front today because they're tight rather than crossing it under. Breathe in. As we breathe out, go into the rotation. Sit up tall, rotate around. Just let the glutes release. Swap sides. Breathing in and out. Lengthen your spine. Feel really long in your spine. Come back to the front. Just sit in an easy cross-legged position. Just take 3 deep breaths. Breathing in and out. 2 more. Pull your arms all the way back so you feel the chest open up. The last one. And guys, good effort. Well done. Please tell me how you went. I'd love to hear from you. I feel lonely here. And I'll see you soon. Bye.